Hello and welcome to my video all about how to make clear slime. Clear slime looks very effective as it is, but it's also great for embedding all sorts of things from glitter to beads. To make it, you will need an airtight plastic container. In my case, I'm using a takeaway box, a measuring cup or jug, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, some transparent glue, some bicarbonate of soda, or baking soda if you're in the US, some saline solution or contact lens solution that contains boric acid and sodium borate, and something to stir the slime with. In my case, I'm using a paint mixing stick. The first thing you need to do is put about 1/4 of a cup or 30 milliliters of warm water into your measuring cup or jug. Then add either 1 flat teaspoon or half a heaped teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda into the warm water. Mix it until it dissolves. Then measure out half a cup or around 120 milliliters of transparent glue and pour that into the main container. My bottle of glue contained around half a cup anyway, so I just poured it all out. Then add the bicarbonate of soda mixture into the glue and stir it thoroughly. The last ingredient to add is the saline solution. I would suggest adding about 1 tablespoon of this solution and then giving it a mix. I just guesstimated the amount, but of course you can use a tablespoon measure. You'll notice that straight away the mixture starts to clump together and look more like slime. Keep mixing for about a minute. In terms of the science side of things, there are borate ions in the boric acid that's in the saline solution. These borate ions react with the PVA to make a stretchy substance via a process called cross-linking. PVA stands for polyvinyl acetate, and it's a polymer that's made up of strands of molecules that flow past each other. Basically, the borate ions connect these long strands together, and the strands all tangle up and become more solid and rubbery. So the more saline solution you add, the more solid and rubbery the slime will be. However, I wouldn't add more than around 2 tablespoons. Once you've mixed it well and it's clumping together into one mass and it's the consistency you want, you can then leave it. If you look closely, you'll see that it's completely full of bubbles, and it's these bubbles that stop the slime from being completely transparent. So now what you have to do is put the lid on the container and leave it to one side for a few days. And if I just fast forward a few days, this is what the slime will look like. Completely transparent. I personally like to leave it clear, but feel free to add any glitter or beads or embellishments if you prefer. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I really hope you try making this slime at home. Thank you very much for watching.